In this video, we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. So let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type MySQL. Press enter. Now the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website mysql.com. Go to downloads. Go below. Click MySQL Community Downloads. Now go here, MySQL installer for Windows. Here is the current version. Go below. Here two versions are visible. The first is a web installer, but we will go for the second one, 352 MB. It's written 32-bit, but it works for 64-bit as well. Click on it to download. Here click no thanks, just start my download. Download started, let's wait. The installer file downloaded. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now you need to choose a setup type. I'll go for the custom so that we can understand what we are installing. After clicking custom, click next. Now you need to select the available products. First I'll click here. Then the MySQL server. Again, click here and click here to drag. Now here it is. Okay. Now do the same for applications. Click MySQL Workbench. Select, click here. Here it is. Now the last one. Click shell. And here select the following. Click here to drag. So we will install the following three. Click next. Now ready to install. Click execute. Now it will install one by one. It's written complete. Now click next. Click next. Ready to configure. Now here type and networking is visible. The port number is 3306. Keep it as it is and click next. Authentication method. Keep it as it is because it is recommended. Use strong password. Click next. Now let us set the root password. You can add any password. Since this is on local system, you can also use my password and click next. Windows service, click next. Server file permissions, your database will get saved here. Okay, keep it as it is, grant full access and click next. Apply configuration, click execute. Guys, we have installed. Click finish. Click next. Now it will start the MySQL Workbench and shell. Click finish. We will minimize this and this also. Now let us set the path. Go to C drive. Program files. Here you can now see MySQL. Click on it. Go to the server bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Click open. Now under system properties advanced, click environment variables. Here go to path and double click. click new, right click and paste the same path. We have pasted it. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. Now we have installed MySQL. Let us verify and create a new database. Go to Start, type CMD, click Open. Now we will verify, type MySQL space hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, we installed the current version 8.0.41. Now let us start the MySQL server. MySQL space hyphen u. What was the user? It was root. Then type hyphen p. P is the password. Press enter and now enter the same password which we have set before. Press enter and now you are inside MySQL. Let us show all the databases first. The default databases, show databases, semicolon, and press enter. Here are the default databases. Okay. Let us create a new database. Create database command and the name of the database. Let's say the database name here is AmitDB. You can add any name. Semicolon and press enter. Now we will type show databases command and here we have 4 databases. Now when I'll press enter, you can see our 5th database AmitDB is also visible. Also open Workbench. Click here. Enter the same password. Select this and click OK. Here MySQL Workbench is visible. It is a UI to create MySQL databases, tables and perform operations. For a free complete MySQL and MySQL Workbench tutorial, refer the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.